Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Do you feel it? Do you feel it?
Good morning, everybody. This is Michael DeGioia with the Affinity Legends of Wall Street Trading Room. Okay, this week is our big free event preceding our best list of the year, the January Effect. We have the January Effect class coming this Sunday night. So I'm looking forward to that. That's also why this is our last trial period of the year. So all of you regular members, be on your best behavior as we will be having guests. Make sure you clean up your bedroom and make your beds. Okay, so we've got a lot going on here this week promotionally. And of course, all you regular members, this is another fun-filled week of trading. We got a lot going on. As you can see, I have the USO up here because we had a gap down on USO. Oil is melting. Right? Oil burns, but I guess in this case it's melting. Okay? Oil is melting, and the market is melting up. Okay, guys? We have taken out the highs, right, from before August. Okay, this is generally the most bullish time of year in the market, the run up right before Christmas. And we rejected a breakdown, a big breakdown on Thursday. Anybody who took my Apple call for calls is extremely, extremely happy. Okay, obviously Apple, a big bullish engulfing bar. It's called a bear trap. Probably will have a pause day, which will give us a good add on Apple, meaning that we'll have an opportunity to buy Apple maybe by the end of the day. But usually, if Apple doesn't break out today, it'll close red. It'll be like a 1, 2, 3 bar, and I'll explain that in a few seconds. Facebook also a bear trap. Anybody who shorted Facebook got trapped on Thursday. Anybody who shorted it on Thursday got trapped on Friday. Let's go through some of our gap stocks. Obviously, stocks that are going to be strong today, with oil being weak, are the airlines. You got American Airlines looking like a 1, 2, 3 with clear air up to 47. Okay, you got DAL looking pretty much the same way. And then you got UAL, right, which probably has a clear chart as well, up to 59. It's already breaking out above here. It can go to 61.50. So we got the triple Ontage gap up, okay, of UAL, DAL, AAL, all right, because USO, okay, is down. So these correlate to oil. So you watch them to go up. So I'll just, I'm not going to give you all the numbers. I mean, UAL is 60, can go up to 61.50. There's a possibility that these fade as well. DAL is 51.50. And then AAL is 47. Okay, so full montage of those three airline stocks. Okay, we got SWN, which is in the midst of a very, very big downtrend. Okay, you could see it on the 15-minute chart. You could see it on the 1-minute chart. I mean, every time frame is weak on SWN. It's gapping down to 734. Usually there's a climactic day, which might be today, which means it puts in a big, huge volume, moves down precipitously, and then bounces. So we have SWN gap and go down. Watch for wash out. Watch for washout and maybe a CBS around 11. Okay, but right now SWN is a gap and go down until that time. So we like to play the actual breakdown of the 5-minute low or the 1-minute low or the 3-minute low. Okay, I'm going to take a look at Bud. I'll look at Bud. Bud is a gap up to 129.75. It should break out above 130. 130 is the key number on Bud. BUD, 130. Blue Sky. Can't write BS, but it's a buy setup. I'm going to just write Blue Sky breakout. Okay. This is a gap. It actually is a buy setup. Guys, look at the buy setup on this. That's why I had a green reversal bar, and then it gapped up today, triggering the buy setup. So there you have it. So yes, it is a buy setup as well. Usually, I'm going to say this one has a high potential to check mark. Let's take a look at MSI. Gapping down to 70, guys. MSI. This is a great short, guys. 70.50 is all the last prints on MSI. Okay. I don't know if you can short it. You can try. But MSI would be a gap and go down because it gapped down after a green bar. It looks fairly new, so if shortable. Okay, next one is CVA. I mean, it looks like a sell setup. Okay, guys, definitely not. I'm glad that FIT never triggered technically for the short for the swing play last week. Certainly didn't have that one on the money. Okay, Fitbit exploding to the upside. That definitely was an explosion to the upside. Never looked back. Very highly likely that it was a short squeeze. It seems a little bit ridiculous at this point, having gapped up to the 34 level. I'm going to watch that one for a fade. It's a novice gap up. right? So what is a novice gap up? You're up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, 8 days. Okay, you gap up to resistance. Usually those moves fade. Okay. This is probably at this point a short squeeze from everybody who shorted it here. So just be aware of that. SWHC. Smith & Wesson looking like it's going to break out. Yeah. I would watch it. I would watch it as a short until around 11:15. Guys, the market just opened. I think Apple will fade today. I think in general the market will fade. Usually on a big stick up, you get a fade, meaning it'll pull back to the moving averages. Guys, I like the Smith & Wesson. I'm going to watch it. SW. Gap and go on Smith & Wesson. Still watching Facebook for a potential long. It did not go up the way Apple did. SWN. Guys, SWN is probably a good short. It's breaking the 1 minute low. It's a novice gap down, but it needs to really capitulate. All the airlines are doing well, guys. You might want to take some of the airlines on the next pullback. Let's see how they deal with these levels. They continue to go up. If USO continues to go down, if USO breaks the 5 minute low, then the airlines will continue to go up. Possible short on VNR. Vanguard Natural Resources. It's sort of like an SWN. Seems to be very far down already. SWN is working, guys. Anybody who shorted SWN, breaking the 1 minute low, it's working. This has already dropped 10 cents on a $7 stock. VNR is a similar kind of a stock. It's just that that one's only like $10. Sorry, it's $3 rather. Very nice trade, Emery, on the oh, you didn't get out of SWN. AAL. Good long on AAL. Breaking the 5 minute high on AAL. Guys, VNR broke down. I only got a little bit of shares, but I'm going to cover some. If I can cover this short, I've already made my $100 on the day in 6 minutes. There's VNR, guys. Broke the 5 minute low. Boom. Got 100 shares, guys. Kiss that baby goodbye. $100. I want to get out because it's so far down already. I'm out. Guys, $112 on VNR. I'll probably regret getting out, but it's fine. Still made my $100 fast. Very difficult to get shares, guys, on this one. It was, I had to like play with it a little bit. Interesting because I tried to short SWN. Tried to short SWN and I couldn't get it short. So then I looked for a stock that was a similar type of stock to SWN. And then I came up with VNR. Which it looks like I covered way too soon, but it's fine. I mean, who cares?